Learning from early adopters, like the City of London.
Last summer, London was credited by Health Minister Sylvia Jones with inspiring the idea for provincially funded Hart Hubs to treat homelessness and addiction. But London's Hart Hub at the Salvation Army Centre of Hope did not open this spring as planned, and it remains unknown when the hub will accept its first residents. The operator, Canadian Mental Health Association Thames Valley, tells CTV News in a statement, quote, "We are still waiting for funding confirmation to be able to move forward with hiring and having an opening date." Councillor Hadley McAllister emphasizes the urgent need for Hart Hub services in London.
We talk a lot about health and homelessness. The healthcare component is absolutely a provincial responsibility, and we need those services online as soon as possible.
The province will spend $550 million over 4 years on 28 new Hart Hubs. London's $6.3 million plan includes 60 spaces inside the hub, plus an additional 60 supportive housing units. London's Hart Hub has always had an aggressive timeline for opening. Back in January, when CMHA Thames Valley was chosen as the operator, it was announced that the doors would open April 1st. But in light of the provincial election earlier this year, that date was pushed back to sometime in May. That's the last official date anyone's received. When asked about the status of funding, a spokesperson for the Minister of Health did not provide a date. Quote, "Our government is continuing to work with the remaining Hart Hubs, including the hub which will provide services to the London area as soon as possible."
We need as many services online as we can, whether that's rehab, mental health services, or added supports to our hospitals as well.
This is our first big step.
The Hart of Simcoe County held its soft launch at the end of June. 9 other Hart Hubs opened on April 1st in cities where supervised drug consumption sites were closed by the province.
We can only do so much in terms of being able to provide people kind of the basic needs, but when it comes to those higher need services, like addiction support, mental health, that's where we need the province to step in.
London continues to operate 2 low-barrier hubs initially opened as part of the local initiative known as the Whole of Community Response to Homelessness. Daryl Newcombe, CTV News.